Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to transfer contact from one Google account to another. Friends, if you are using more than one Gmail account and want to transfer your saved contacts to a new Gmail account, then you simply need to click on Google Apps. Here you need to click on Contacts. Now in Contacts, you need to export two files. First we will export all the contact numbers. For that, select a contact. Now from the upper menu, select all, click on export. By default, it is set on Google CVS format. Click on export. Now we will export all the email addresses saved in our Gmail account. For that, we need to click on other contacts. Here, select a contact and from upper menu, select all. After selecting all the email contacts, click on export and click on export again. Now friends, we have successfully exported all the email addresses saved in our Gmail account. Now we need to open our Gmail account in which we want to import all these contacts. Now in your new Gmail account, you need to go to Google Apps. Here click on Contacts. In Contacts, you need to click on Import. Here click on Select File. Click on the destination of your file. After selecting the file, click on Open. Now click on Import. Now friends, as you can see, now all the 80 contact numbers are available in our Google account. Like this, you need to import the email addresses also. For that, click on Import again. Now select the file. After selecting the file, click on Open. Click on Import. Now friends, as you can see, now our email addresses are also available in our new Google account. So friends, like this you can very easily transfer your contacts from one Google account to another. I hope you find this video useful. If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.